Plea bargain, we often hear about them in criminal cases. Is it really a simple deal whereby someone agrees to do something and somebody else says, yes, I will do that? Or do other factors come into play? Well, let's take a look at this week's case. It involves a woman, Christine Delf. She was accused of a forgery of $5,000 check, and part of the evidence was such that she said, okay, through her attorney, I will plea bargain to this, and the state offered a deal whereby the state said, if you serve 5 years on probation and pay $5,000 in restitution plus administrative costs, that'll be the deal. She said, okay, I'll buy that deal, and accordingly it would appear that an agreement is reached. The judge, however, said, you know, before I impose sentence on this, and the judge has the ability to accept the deal or reject the deal, but he says, before I impose sentencing on this, I would like what is referred to as a court assessment. And under court assessment, the judge is given information about any prior criminal activity. Well, the court assessment revealed that Christine had been convicted of nine prior forgeries, and while on probation for one of those crimes was accused of misappropriation of funds. Judge said, in view of this, Christine, I have some grave concerns that you're really not learning your lesson. Accordingly, I'm going to impose special conditions. I'm going to have two special conditions. One is that you have to serve actual time in jail, 120 days, and in addition to that, you will not be able to work as a health care aide again in the state of Missouri. That's where this, of course, was taking place. And the reason for that was that all of the prior crimes had been crimes against individuals that she was caring for, elderly people. Well, Christine, through her attorney, said, hey, you know, I don't like this. This isn't the original deal. Now I've got these special conditions, and I don't like that, and accordingly, she appealed the sentence. Went up to appeal, and on appeal before a Missouri appellate court, the appellate court listened to this and said, all right, what we find here is that the judge does have the discretion to impose special conditions. He didn't change the plea bargain, he just attached special conditions to them. In view of this, we find that he acted properly, the special conditions attach, and as to you, Christine, you still have an option. If you don't like this deal with the special conditions, you can reject it and simply serve the jail time that would be imposed for having pled guilty to the crime. All right, we bring you this case in order to better understand how things really happen many times in a plea bargain. I'm David Allen.